Focus Real Estate team, and today we have the pleasure of being here with Bob Taylor from Tycor Title, and we are so thrilled that he is going to share some great information with us today about vesting and how to hold title to your property. It's one of the most common questions that we get when people are purchasing, correct, Bob?
Yes, it's the manner in which you take title is very important because the future events to the ownership could be affected how you take title today.
So as a husband and wife team, which is probably the most common type of sale I deal with, can you explain the types of vesting that they might want to consider?
Now, there's husband and wife as joint tenants, which really means that one passes, it automatically passes to the surviving tenant. There's also husband and wife as community property, which different doesn't mean that that interest will go to the surviving spouse, but it also has a tax advantage. So they're a little bit of different. There's also husband and wife community property with right of survivorship, which is a combination of the tax benefit under community property and the right of survivorship under joint tenancy, which is really probably the better of the two, but everything's a tax situation.
And please understand that we're not here to give you legal or title advice. We will provide you a link at the end of the video so you can do as much research as you would like on your own. Now talk to us a little bit about an individual.
An individual, basically, they're going to be taking title in their name. So the thing with that is there's no joint tenancy. So if somebody passes away, you're looking into a probate situation.
That's the last thing we'd really like to touch on. The best way, in my opinion, to be holding title is through a trust. Would you like to hit on that a little bit, Bob?
Yeah, a trust is really, it's a good way to keep you out of the courts. It's if you die and you're in ownership of the property under an individual, you're going to probate court. You better have a will. If you don't have a will, you're going into what's called intestate succession, where the laws determine where your property goes. If you have no heirs, the state of California gets your property.
That is not where you want to be. I just need to tell you from a personal experience, my husband's best friend passed away about 2 years ago, and I just had coffee with his mother this morning, and they are just wrapping up probate, and it's a long period and it's very expensive. So just wanted to let you know it costs about $3,000 on average ballpark to set up a trust, and that's the absolute best way to move forward holding title. So again, if you have any questions, I'm Wendy Ruffini with the Focus Real Estate team. I'm at 949-887-1393. And please see the link below if you have any questions regarding title. Thanks so much, Bob. Appreciate your time today.
Thank you.